Okay, you guys, this is the beginning of our next little YouTube video. Background is a hint to what's next. This is a Wi-Fi video doorbell, 1080p. Chinese brand. Gonna speculate it might have been bought out by Amazon, the company, and they might be the only ones that sell it. I don't see the name around very much at all. Only seen one video on YouTube about it. Do make more expensive brands. Some of them you need internet access or some kind of access, monthly access where you pay. This one you don't pay. It's both works on ISO and Android. I think you can see the two app store there and the Google Play. Okay, you got some features around the box. I'll see if I can show you real quick. So you get a look at that. Okay. Other features you guys might want to read. Excuse me. Not very good at this. I'm doing this backwards. Anyway, that's what's on the box. 1 year warranty. Okay. Okay. And the other side. Bunch of information to look at. A lot of things to be tested on here, I guess. Not sure I'm going to test all of them, but hopefully enough to satisfy you guys. So let me pause the video and we'll do the unboxing. The unboxing real quick. See what we got here. Got some kind of paperwork for the Chime. Okay, I think you guys got that. Booklet. Okay. Okay, and what else do we got here? Some people might be interested in this stuff, so hopefully that's adequate. If not, can actually put the comments below and I'll look it up for you, okay? You got two batteries here, lithium-ion batteries. Nice size, nice weight. Come included. About 85 bucks on Amazon. Possible speculation, this company might be bought out by Amazon. That was usually the case if you only see it on Amazon. A little bit of hardware mounted on the wall or somewhere else. USB charging cable. Definitely looks Android. Okay. Nice that it comes with an indoor chime. It decides to focus on me. It looks like it has an indicator light there. It looks like it has a speaker in the back. Okay. And the main unit itself. Pretty big. You can get it in silver or black. I think the silver is not all silver. It might have a black area, like the window where the camera's at. You got 6 little infrared lights there that go on. You got a motion detector on top. I know you got two-way communication. I don't think you only might have one-way video. I gotta test all this for you guys. Apologize about the out of focus. Anyway, and it looks like you got an indicator here. When something's going on. I'm also going to include LED solar light with this to add a little bit of extra lighting for nighttime. I'll show you what that is, okay, in a minute. I'll go get that. This one has a little arrow. It says open up. Oh, come on, over there. So I guess this, if the unit goes up, I guess this goes down. Yes. And we got some contacts over here. And it looks like 2 little screws if you want to use hardwire it to the wall somewhere. You got a switch, you got an outlet, you want to run some wires, you might be able to do all that, okay? Pretty sure that's what that's for. I've seen other videos with lights with video doorbells like this come with the little leads that go in there. I didn't see them in the packaging, so I'm guessing this unit doesn't come with it. Part of the price savings. Can you guys see that reset button right there? Actually says reset right there. And I'm not sure what the other white button is for. We're going to have to find out. Looks like that's the charging port. Charging I/O. We got a door here where the, excuse me, where the batteries go. Okay, after this is installation. So let me pause the video and we'll go to the next step. Okay, this is the little light I was talking about. This is 24 LED solar motion light. Has a motion sensor, 120 degrees, solar powered, 3 different lighting modes. Very easy installation. No cables, no electricity, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, heatproof. Heatproof is an interesting one. It gets hot over here. Unique construction and compact design. Okay, this light is been on YouTube for a while. Several people have done a very good video on this, so I don't think I could do a better video on it. But it's what I'm going to incorporate with the video LED, because even though it has night vision, I believe they get grayed out, and with this light I'm hoping it gets a better image. Okay, not just the little IR lights that are in the 6 little IR lights, infrared lights. Okay. Definitely got some information. Looks like a lot of information. Okay, let's see what this is. We got Italiano, Espanol. Looks like Chinese. Francais, Dutch, and English. I'm going for the English version. Okay. All right. You got another user guide. It's a little bit heavy to get in the video, so I'll have to read through that and give you guys some information best I can. But again, I said there's a lot of videos on this little light. I think I paid about $17 for it. In the back, looks like you have several screws. It says off, and you got several indicators here, so I'll have to read all this. It has a serial number. Didn't think I would see that on there. That's unique. Guessing it might have some kind of lithium batteries inside. I do not know. I haven't taken it apart. Some interesting thought there, though. And you got a little clip here to hang it up if you want. Okay, so it's nice. Hang it up on a screw in with a screw or something like that. There is the solar panel on top. Very nice. Has some weight to it. I guess 12 ounces. I have a G-scale here somewhere. Never really use it very much. And it is not fair on this towel, so I'll have to remove the towel to do this G-scale correctly. So. And we got grams. I said about 12 ounces. That would be ounces right there. And we got, oh, way off. 8.5 ounces with the battery. So I was way off. Excuse me. Apologize. Glad I took the G scale out. So at least I can show you that, okay? There it is. Very interesting. Having the 24 LEDs, having about 120 degree wide angle pattern. So one of these might do just fine above entry doorway, one above a rear doorway, maybe a few around the property, depending upon how large the property is. Rather inexpensive and no batteries or electricity needed. So rather interesting. Okay, this is going to be part of my video doorbell setup. Okay, next to the setup. Okay, this is my iPhone, iPhone 6. Let's go to the correct app, and we get an image. I hope that's in focus. We should be able to tap it to get a different image and a scale of what time it is, and we can go full screen if we tap the double arrows on the bottom. We can see that, but it's there anyway. Alright, this is double tapping, can bring me a more focused image, more narrow, so you can do that if you like on your iPhone, so you can see what's going on. You can go back to your regular image, which is pretty cool. And there's a few things on the bottom. You got your album switch, so you can switch from back and forth to the narrow image to the wide view, which is pretty cool. And then you got a cruise icon on the bottom, where it actually rotate slightly to the left, slightly to the right, very slowly, which is pretty cool. So it looks like a motion camera, which I thought was outstanding. I think you guys would like that a lot. You can take a photo, you can take a video. I made a mistake when I uploaded the app that I didn't allow permission to take the video. So I'm probably going to have to delete the app, upload again, pair the camera to the phone again, and do all that, because I don't know when I might want to record a video. So good deal on that. So something to note. You got sound if you want to talk. There's a microphone in the middle, taking a picture. There's voice if you want to turn it on, turn it off, which is nice. And you got settings, which gives you different options. Okay, just going into settings real quick. You got SD card. I don't have SD cards, so I have to put one in there. Orientation, environment. I have to understand environment. Now I disabled the PIR detection, or the motion detector, because it was waking me up all day today. It's a new device. I don't understand it, and I set it on medium, and it didn't work out. On low, might work out a little bit better. I have significant traffic in front of my door because cars drive by, stuff like that. People walk by, and it isn't quite working out. So disabling it, for me, for my intentions, seems to work out. For you, might be a little bit different. I apologize about the active time, 15 seconds. I like to get that to 60 seconds. People know something's going on. They get a little wary. They might get a little tired and keep moving. Okay. LED. Not sure if that's about the night vision. Something to line. Device name. I just put it at the front door. The app got an incredibly poor rating, and I think it doesn't deserve it, because so far it seems to be working out rather adequately on my phone. Things lock up. They don't work right. I have to turn the phone off. Even now, I cannot go back to there we go. Okay, now we know where we're at. We're going to go to full screen if I can. Well, that's cool. Now let's see if we can lower that down a little bit. Okay, now we got full screen, and we seem to have a bar on the bottom. Excuse me. Gotta add a little bit something there. Seem to have a bar on the bottom where It shows time clock for. I'll try to focus a little bit because this is not so easy. Manual focus, and I'm on an iPhone trying to focus from full frame camera. Not so easy, so please excuse me. There was time where it would transition from daylight to medium light to dark, and I actually did a few colors. So if you have adequate lighting, you might actually be able to get color video here, but it's grayed out. Okay, and then if you tap it again, you should be able to get this very nice view. Tap it again, let's see what we get. And we got a nice close view. So really nice stuff for a $85 camera. I mean, night vision is exceptional for this camera. I mean, I can't tell you. I'm reading license plate. Can't tell you that, but I can take snapshots also. Can take pictures, which is pretty cool. You have picture, you have video, and you have sound, so you can talk to the person outside if you like to. You can take a picture of that person, and you can take video also at the same time. I do not have an SD card in here, and it does record in HD video. Seems to go back and forth. I could not find how to do SD to HD, so I had to figure that one out. For the money, I'm very happy. For the night quality, I'm ecstatic for the price. I'm very happy. A lot of things to learn, a lot of things to do. Hopefully we get to the rest in a little bit. It is nighttime, and I wanted to put this in the video. Okay, next we go to daytime. A view of what's going on and the comparison between the app, charging the battery, and all that. The battery life seems to be not great right now. Because they're new, I didn't charge them. I didn't hardwire it. Hardwiring is probably the way to go. Right? So this is for now until we get to the daytime version. Bye. Okay, this is the doorbell outside. You have a motion detector on top here. It ain't focusing for some reason. There it is. It's a motion detector on top right there. There's the camera. There's like 3 LEDs. Excuse me. That's because the black. Try something else. Oh, this is annoying. Alright, the black is throwing it off a little bit. So there's a couple of LEDs here, a couple of LEDs there. There's a chime inside that's not plugged in. I gotta plug it in. I'll show you that. I had it mounted here, and I put it on the storm door because it gets a better view. I'm gonna have to mount it back on the wood, so because there's a light switch behind there, I can put power to it, and I don't have to worry about charging the batteries. And I can watch the video as many hours as I want. You can drain the batteries if you don't have direct power to it, if you're watching video hours at a time. Who's outside? So it's a cool feature, but I'm gonna have to move it, and I'm gonna have to put a piece of wood or something at a slight angle, like a wedge, so I get a better view of who's at the door. Because facing forward doesn't look great. That's kind of why I put it on the storm door, because I can see the person a little more directly. Excuse me about that. Gonna go inside, show you the chime, and then I'll show you the phone, the features, settings, and stuff like that. Alright? Pause the video. It is the chime right there. It's plugged in. It's got 2 prongs. No big deal. Little blue LED light that lights up when it signals, or you plug it in and out. Okay? Now we get upstairs and get on the phone and show you the features on the phone. The app is very buggy. Let's tap on there. See if we go. Okay, this is correct. Sometimes you'll see this barcode higher. The time stamp you'll see higher. It looks like it's military time, 24 hours instead of 12 hours. And you got a couple of really nice features here. You can record video. You can record photography, and you can talk 2 ways with the speaker, so they can listen to you. You can talk both ways. Okay, let me shut it off. And I didn't allow permission to do the video, which I should have. And it says you got to go into permission. You got a battery indicator on top there. How good the battery's charged. I had it charged for a couple of hours in the wall. It looks like it takes a universal Android charger, and that's what I used, and it worked out just fine to charge the unit. But I want to hardwire it because this way I can watch video like this 24/7. And over here you got a unique feature. Let's see if it does it. It did it last time. Doesn't seem to want to do it now. So, and then you can switch. Oh, there it is. I guess you have to put it in the other, in the tighter image, and then it'll do that for you. Okay, unique feature I didn't know about. And I'm not necessarily finding all this in the instructions. I'm kind of just playing with the menus to learn what's going on. Okay. You got voice, you can cancel it. You got different settings. You don't have an SD card in there. You got orientation, environmental, and I disabled the PIR, the motion, because I was getting notifications left and right. I leave it active for 60 seconds. Some people get nerve up to do something, and 60 seconds is better than 15 seconds. And then you got the code there if you want to share that, and what I named it, front door. Okay. Let's go back. Hopefully all this works out, because this thing is really buggy sometimes. There it is again, being buggy on me. Oh, this is annoying. Apologize. Let's hope I can get this done. I don't know. Very, very annoying. I'm gonna have to cancel the video. I had to restart my phone to get this to work right. I can see why this app got a terrible rating. Let's give me a second, see if I can get it going again. Okay, we're back, got it going again. I guess after the settings and not giving it permission to do the video, I'll have to delete the app, install it so I can give it permission to record video if I want to SD card. Okay, in case I see something. And where I'm at, hopefully you guys get all that. You can see the microphone icon, the video icon, the photography icon, and if you tap the screen once, you should get a very decent image like that. So it's a lot of nice features, and that I can watch it from my home on my iPhone is cool. So the app does work, but it's very buggy. It's like you kind of go where you're going and leave it there. Don't try to go back and forth, because it might freeze up on you. This is a decent phone. This is the iPhone 6. So I know it's not my phone. Either way, either I hardwire this or I'm going for a different system. But I'm definitely going to hardwire it, because it'll allow me to use it and watch a different angle. Instead of just having a video camera from the top going down, which I'm going to do that also. I have one front and one in the back. We get to that video when we get the equipment and set it all up. This is it for now. I hope I answered enough questions for you guys. You guys got any other questions, put it in the comments. I think it's worth the $85, even though the app is very buggy. You can get it to work. And I believe I did show a night version of the image, or I will show you. And there's a transition point. Can take 15 to 20 minutes, and it goes back and forth from color to gray until finally just grays out. Other than that, I don't have anything else to share with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Bye.